Tell me. I will try the tomato sauce.
Hey guys, I'm Roger.
My name is Mish.
She's Filipino, I'm Australian Kiwi. We are looking for the best pie on the Gold Coast, and today we're at a place called the Little Kiwi Bakehouse in Nerang in the beautiful Gold Coast. And here we go, we'll go have a look. See you soon. And here we are back from Little Kiwi Bakery with steak and cheese pie. It is pretty big.
This is from Little Kiwi Bakehouse. Can we open this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So, because it said it's a like steak cheese, but look at this. See that? You can see the cheese in it. Pretty good. So now it's time to try. All right. The pastry. It's not really crispy, I can tell, you know, and it's a very soft, and I'm scared that I ruined this pie. See?
It's quite soggy. Oh.
Yeah, have a look. It's not really, but the taste is very important, you know, so I'm gonna try this. Look at this, see? It's a lot of beef.
Very soft pastry.
Yeah, very soft pastry.
Is it tasty?
I will try the tomato sauce. I know you wanna eat this one. Try this
Oh
one.
my god, it's falling apart.
I know, it's so very...
Tomato sauce is a game changer.
You're right.
Can't have a pie without tomato
All right,
sauce.
I just wanna rate that instead. Okay.
Compared to yesterday, what do you think?
Yesterday, it's 10 out of 10.
Yep.
But this one is, I would say, same. 10 out of 10. What? No, I'm kidding.
Say your scale.
This is, for me, is 8. I'm very generous, right? But this is 8. You know why?
Yep.
Pastry is very, you know, not really good.
Okay, cool. So
cool.
I'm going to move on to, I got a chicken mushroom. Okay, here I am with the chicken mushroom choice from the Little Kiwi Bakehouse in Nerang on the northern end of the Gold Coast. It looks like the northern end of the Gold Coast has some pretty good options, surprisingly. Okay, I'm going to try and take it out. Came out a little better than Mish's steak and cheese.
How's the pastry?
But you can tell it is a little bit soft. Okay, I'm going to dig in here and have a look inside. Chicken mushroom looks nice and creamy, as you would expect.
Yep.
So first bite, I'll go completely raw without tomato sauce,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to add tomato sauce.
Wow. Tell me.
Yeah, a little bit disappointed.
Yeah.
Kind of a bland flavor. Pastry's not crispy.
Yeah, you're right.
It's a bit soft. I'll take another bite. Yeah, I feel like I could use a little bit more
Yeah.
salt.
Okay, tell me. I'm gonna ask you something. When it comes to pie, what's the best? Is it soft pastry or a crispy?
I like a blend of both. I like the top to be really crispy.
Yes, me
And
too.
then I don't mind the base being a little bit
You're
less
right.
crispy.
Yeah.
But I think there needs to be a blend of both. Okay, with tomato sauce, which is absolutely essential when eating a pie. Sorry, I'm messy eater. Yeah, compared to yesterday, wow, so it's night and day. I wanted this to be good because I'm actually a Kiwi. I reckon it's about a 6.5 out of 10.
Oh my God. Yeah.
And now look at the aftermath of Mish's steak and cheese.
You're right, guys.
Completely falling apart.
You gotta make a mess, you know?
Look at this.
Because the
Wow.
pastry, very soft. You know.
That's pretty good, though.
Pastry, yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for what's the name?
Little Kiwi
Little
Bakehouse.
Kiwi. The stuff is so very nice.
Yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. The taste is amazing. You probably just want to eat it very quickly. Awesome, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
See ya.
Thank you.